Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file your W-2 tax return using Turbotax. First, ensure you have all necessary documents, including your W-2 forms, interest statements, and any other income or deduction records. Next, log into your Turbotax account or create a new one if you are a first-time user. You will then select the appropriate tax year and your filing status, such as single, married filing jointly, or head of household, to ensure accurate preparation. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Wages and Income section, which is typically found on the left-hand navigation panel. Turbotax will prompt you to enter your W-2 information. You can often import this data directly from many employers, saving you time and reducing errors. If importing isn't an option, manually enter the employer identification number, employer's name, and all the numerical values from boxes 1 through 20 of your W-2 form. After entering your W-2 data, carefully review all the information for any discrepancies. Turbotax will then guide you through various questions to identify potential deductions and credits you may qualify for, such as student loan interest, charitable contributions, or child tax credits. Be thorough and answer every question accurately. This step is crucial for maximizing your refund or minimizing your tax liability. The software helps you find every eligible saving. Finally, once you have reviewed your entire return and are confident in its accuracy, Turbotax will present your filing options. Most users choose electronic filing, or e-file, as it is the quickest and most secure way to submit your return to the Internal Revenue Service. You can also choose how to receive your refund, typically via direct deposit. If you owe taxes, you can pay directly through Turbotax or print payment vouchers for mailing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.